Hello, good morning to all of you. Today we are going to talk about MOSFET. In the first video of MOSFET, we had discussed about its construction, in which I told you that MOSFET is a transistor. Its full name is metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. As it is clear, it is a member of FET family. Okay. Now, what is its function? To amplify the signal. Actually, MOSFET is used to strengthen the input signal. Its another function is as switch. BJT and MOSFET both are transistor. Both have the same function, amplification as well as switching. But due to some peculiar characteristics of MOSFET, or you may say MOSFET has some additional advantages over BJT. That is why nowadays we prefer MOSFET. Okay. So, as I said to you, MOSFET is a field effect transistor like FET, whose drain current is controlled by the voltage on the gate. Recall BJT. BJT is a current control device. Base decides the current. Here, voltage on gate decides current. So drain current is governed by gate. In the first video, I told you at that time that like BJT, it has 3 terminals. In a BJT, emitter, base, collector. Here in MOSFET, source, gate, drain. So it is also a 3 terminal device. Based on operating modes, there are different types of MOSFET available. In the market, we get 2 types of MOSFET: depletion type, enhancement type. Depletion type MOSFET is also of 2 types: N channel, P channel. Similarly, enhancement type MOSFET further divided into 2 sections: N channel, P channel. So depending upon the channel, we give its name. Okay. Now we discuss about its construction. So before going into detail, let us see its construction. This is your construction. Figure shows its construction. Okay. See here. This is a P-type substrate. Clear view will be here. This is a P-type substrate. This portion. And there is a cut here. Heavily doped N plus here, N plus here. And this is channel. You can see N. So it is called N channel MOSFET. Actually, name of the MOSFET depends upon the channel. So whether it is N type or P type. Here you can see it is N, so it is N channel MOSFET. See here, this is P type substrate, lightly doped, and above this one you can see, above this is a silicon oxide, layer of silicon oxide which is grown over the P type substrate. So this is P type substrate, silicon oxide layer, and above channel you can see here black, this is metallic layer. This one is metallic layer which covers the entire channel. This is one metallic portion which is connected with N. This acts as a source, this acts as a drain, and this metallic layer acts as a gate. So source, gate, drain. Okay. Now here we connect drain with source. You can see here. This is your gate and this is your source. It is connected with VGG, and here source is connected with drain. You can see negative terminal. Source is grounded. So this is the connection. Now here, just I told you this is a channel. So here if channel width increases, it is enhancement mode. If channel width decreases, it is depletion mode. Actually we call it depletion MOSFET, but it functions as enhancement as well as depletion mode. So let us see why do we call it depletion mode. Okay. Now come here. Operation of MOSFET. When VGS is equal to 0, VDS is increased from 0. See here. If this voltage is 0, okay, and we increase the drain to source voltage. If we increase drain to source voltage, it is positive, so it will attract electrons. So electrons will flow from this end to this end, and the conventional current will flow in this direction, because conventional current is taken opposite to flow of electron. So this is the direction of drain current. And here this one is positive, this one is negative, this terminal positive, this side is negative. Here more positive, so more voltage drop. That is why you can see these two width Y plus here. First let us try to understand Y plus here. See here, this is metallic layer and this is N type channel. It will act as capacitor, and this will act as SiO2 will act as an dielectric. So here if we connect this minus due to this minus, here positive charge induced and depletion of N. So as the plus charge will increase, this layer width will change. So here, see here, the introduction of the positive charge causes depletion of mobile electrons in the channel. Hence the conductivity of channel decreases. ID is reduced as VGS further decrease. So as we change this VDS, the ID will decrease, drain current will decrease, and we can see in graph also. First, this is VGS 0, this one, and we apply here, suppose VGS, I have written, if VGS is set at negative value, this one is negative, the current first increases, but at a time comes when it's get flat or parallel to x-axis, so current will not increase. Therefore, in the direction from S to D, the N channel becomes more and more depleted. See here, more and more depleted means here plus will increase, so it will be more and more depleted. That is why it is called depletion type. Now, when VGS is positive, In the first case, I told you that this is 0. Now we set it as positive voltage and it is changed. The same process plus here. So current first increases, becomes flat parallel to x-axis. So this portion is enhancement type, this portion is depletion type. Okay, and this is a transconductance. You may see here, this is a graph which is VDS versus ID. Drain current versus drain voltage. So when the drain is maintained positive potential with respect to source and VGS is varied, the variation of ID with VGS. See here, this is VGS, means gate to source voltage. This is drain current. The graph is like this. So in this way, we see that this portion here, enhancement portion, this is depletion portion. So actually we give name it depletion, but it depends upon the gate voltage, whether gate voltage is positive or negative. Accordingly it is depleted, means width of the channel increases or decreases, and accordingly it works as depletion or enhancement. Okay, so I am uploading pages one by one so that you can see without any disturbance. See here, this is your first page. Okay, this is your first page. Now I am uploading second page. This one is the second page, and now this is your third page, last page. If you have any problem, you may contact with WhatsApp or Telegram or any other sources, because under limited resources I have prepared this video. Okay, thank you.